E.Michelle, and I'm back with another video. Thank you so much for stopping back by my channel. If this is your very first time, stop what you're doing, click that subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you don't miss any more of my videos. So today's video is a special collab with ShayBudgets. We are doing a collab on our offices. So if you guys are interested in seeing what's all included in this thing, then stay tuned. Alright, so this is what you see when you first walk in to the office. And I have the light right there, and my light's up there, and then here's my camera, which is the Canon 70D. I have that, and then it just focuses down right here. So let's come over to the desk area. Here I have my Simply Gilded washi, and then I have my little basket that I will be keeping like orders and stuff in. It'll be right in here, but right now I just have my planners that I just got done doing a review on. Then I have my cart from Michael's. As you can see, it's just really messy, but I have tons and tons of sticker books, but I wanted them close to me for when I do Plan With Me's, and some fake flowers right there. And then my pins, and then my little, these are like little props, I guess you could say. And then here are the ones that need to be cut, so I just stick those up there. My sister is working with me now, so we're trying to work out a system that both of us can understand where we leave stuff at. And here's my Mac. I have no idea what size this is. I think it's a 27, I'm not sure. But that right there is where I'm keeping the kit that I'm going to be working with for next week for my Plan With Me. Actually, it's a rewind spread, so I had printed it out. Anyways, and then those cords that you see, I know they look a little messy, but those are my iPhone cords right there that I use for hooking up like the keyboard and the mouse are wireless, so they have to be plugged in sometimes, and then I plug my phone in. This is my wireless printer that I have, and this is a LaserJet printer, and this just prints out like my order papers, and it also prints out the stuff I need for foiling, because you have to have a LaserJet in order to do that. Okay, then we look up, and on the top right there, I have the Mink. See if you guys can see that. There's a Mink right there. This is my regular printer. This is where I print all of my stickers off on. This is a HP B610, something like that, whatever. But anyways, that's what I print that off on. And then this is my Dymo. This is my label printer for when I print off labels. And then coming down here, these are my two machines. So I have the very first portrait, and then I have the Portrait 2. The Portrait 1 is not a wireless. It has to have the wires hooked up back there. And there's a random ink cartridge right there. But anyways, this one is not wireless. It has to be hooked up. And then this one is wireless and doesn't have to have the cords. I do like using the... I mean, they're both really good. I wish number 2, the auto blade, would actually work for me, but it just has not worked for me. So yeah, there's that. But I do like having two machines now. And then this white thing that you see here, I got from IKEA, and it's just I think it's just a shelf or something like that, but I'll have a link to it down below so you guys can see exactly what it is. So let's move over here. This is my little sign I got from Hobby Lobby, and I absolutely love it. And then these came from Hobby Lobby as well, and these came from Target. They were like little, they're hexagons, but I don't know, little wall things. They were in the dollar spot one time. Okay, and then that is just my batteries that I have plugged in right there. So we come down here, and don't judge, but this is everything. Like, these are some packaging. This is where I'll keep boxes for reviews and things like that. And then over here is my makeup. All of this makeup has to be sorted out and put into a new drawer, but for right now, I'm just leaving it right there. And they all came from out of here, because at one point in time, your girl was a makeup YouTuber and not just planning. So now that I'm getting everything together, I wanted to take all of that stuff out. So these are the foil sheets that I have, like the foil rolls. Yes, I know that looks a little backwards. It's in a trash can, but it's doubling right now as a holder. And then this is where I'll put orders as I finish them, and they'll just go right in there so I can just pick them up. And then this is where I put like papers and stuff, so I can just pick it up and take it out without having to worry about it. Okay, so back over here in this drawer, it's like a hodgepodge of stuff. I have my Erin Condren pencils, like pens and stuff like that in there. And then just my
like my everyday to-go kit. Like, I could just pick this up and go and have some real cool supplies in there. Then back here I have some baby wipes. I keep those because you can wipe off any IKEA desk with baby wipes and it gets everything off of there, and I love it. Yeah, so this is like my electronics little thing here, and then back in the back I have some silhouette pins and a charger. And I just keep like extra stuff here, like a little extra plug. I have extras of these for my cutter. And then these are my inks. So this is what my printer takes, and I just keep these here. When I run out, I make sure that I grab some more. I have an extra pair of headphones. Not really sure why, but I do. These are the Post-it notes. Me and my sister leave like each other notes for stuff. And then here are my scissors, which I got some new scissors. So that's in the first one. In the second one, I have my cutter. This is what I use to cut everything. So if your stuff ever comes like a little oblong or something, it's because I'm cutting them by myself, okay? So don't judge me. And then here is a TN. This is like the shop guide right here. It just has like some notebooks and stuff in there. And then I have some more mats that I keep down here. This mat is just too thick. I'm not really sure I like this mat, but I'm keeping it anyway. And then I just have some extra ink right here. Not really sure why this is in here. But this is some lip stuff from Keisha Kayor. But anyways, moving forward, I have some paper clips here that I'll be including in some orders, and paper clips there. Okay. And then we have the third drawer, and these drawers get bigger as you go down. And this is where I keep all of my paper. So I just have all of my sticker paper here and some Avery labels. This is how it comes when you get it from Online Labels. But inside of here is not Online Labels. It's the Milk Coast glossy paper that I use. So that's there. And then we have where I keep my mailers and the cellophane. I think that's what you call them. Anyways, but this is where they come from. They call them poly liners from Uline, and I love those. So it looks like I need to be getting some more of these. I actually have some in my bag that I keep with me for transport. So that's there. And then down here, I just have like some regular computer paper and then some thicker paper that I use. So that is there. Okay, so if we move all the way around here, you move it, then I'll take you over there. Okay, so over here, this is like my little area that my sister redid for me. It just has some of the pens that I like using and just my old camera. This is the old camera that I was using forever that I still love, and I hope one day it will just like randomly come back on. And then these are all of my metal discs. This is just like a display area, okay? So yeah, I can pick stuff off of there if I need to. And these are the Sharpie brush letter pens, and you guys know I cannot brush letters to save my life, but whatever. Down here I just have some random stuff and some pens, some more folders, things like that I'm keeping over there. And then on this one I just have random stuff as well and these sticker boxes. And then over here everything is just like really cute. I just love how she put everything together. This is my punch, and then my pens, and more pens of course, and that is a candle right there. And then down here I just have some books and some files, and then here are all my planners that I've like used or went through or whatever. And then over there is just some of like the paperclip thingies I'll be making. Those are there. And then down here, do not judge this one. I spilled wine last year when I was doing a plan with me, and so I probably should turn this around, and I will, but don't judge me. So that's why it looks like that. So I'm just gonna, whatever, I'm gonna bypass that. And let's see if I can open it up. And this just has like some paper pads, some stickers, a bunch of kits that I didn't, before I had a cutter, I was putting all this stuff down there. So yeah, that's where that is. And then over there is another microphone and just like a little, let me see if I can turn it on. And it's like a little lighted thing. And then back behind there is where I keep my cords. You have been invited into my office. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is where the magic happens. This is where I make YouTube and where I do my Etsy. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and let me know what you guys think down below, and I'll catch you in the next one. Mwah! KK, bye!